Hi and welcome back to our channel. My name is Owen and I'm an area sales manager for All LED. Today we're going to be talking about our new Marlin Downlight. So this is the Marlin. It's our 5 to 7 watt fire rated dimmable LED downlight. The fitting is IP65 rated, it's CCT and wattage selectable, and it comes as standard with the polar white finished bezel. So the key feature of the Marlin is the record speed 2-part push fit connector for quick and easy installation. The fitting comes with the terminals already pre-lifted up for when you are on site to allow for quick and easy install. And all you do is simply put wires in, clip the terminals down, clip it into place, and then attach it to your first install. Another key feature of the Marlin is the easy ability to not only remove the bezel, but also change the CCT and also the wattage. On the inside, you've got the 7 watt and the 5 watt, and then you've also got the 2700 all the way up to 6000K. So when the fitting is in situ, it's very easy to simply just remove the bezel, change the CCT or wattage, and then clip the bezel back into place. The Marlin comes standard with the polar white finish, but we also have 3 other interchangeable bezels available to you, being the satin nickel, polished chrome, the carbon black, all having the low profile finish. It is IP65 rated, meaning it's perfect for your bathroom installations. And it's a highly efficient fitting, giving out 115 lumens per watt. It's installation comfortable and it fits within the minimum ceiling void of 40 millimeters, excluding insulation. So another key advantage of the Marlin is the optimized ventilation. This is to prolong the life of the fitting, which complements perfectly with our 5-year guarantee. The fitting is fully fire rated for a safer install, and it's also regulation ready. So thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed and that you found this very informative, interesting, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. So thank you very much for watching. We hope you found this video very interesting and informative. Please like, comment and subscribe to the All LED group, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.